Hello, friends. There's a reason why this video is called my Oops box, and I promise I'm going to keep this intro short and we're going to unbox this. But two things happened to make it an Oops box. Number one, I didn't mean to order it. I had some credit from friends who had used my sign-up link for FabFitFun and my discount code, which you can find below. And I accidentally put it in my cart, forgot to take it out of my cart, and I got a shipping notification that it was on its way. So I thought, oh no, I've got to try to customize this box. So this box is called the Members Picks box, and it was part of the FabFitFun edit sale. So I got on chat with customer service, and they're like, no problem, ma'am, you can customize your items. And they actually let me choose 5 items that I wanted. Got the notification that the box had shipped, it got here, and I was gonna crack it open to see what was inside, and I realized that only 1 out of the 5 customizations came. Can you tell this is a customer service story? So I got back onto chat with FabFitFun, and they said, oh no, send us a photo of what's in your box and let us help you. And they said, well, the rep that you spoke with before should not have allowed you to customize 5 items, only 3, but we're gonna take good care of you. What items did you want? Told them what I wanted, they said no problem, and they sent me all 4 of the items and allowed me to keep the Oops box. So the reason I decided to do an unboxing today is very simple. Since I have extra items in the box, you get to see a lot more of the members' picks than if I had actually gotten the original box right. So let's jump into it, and I'll tell you which ones were my chosen items and which were the Oops items. I've actually saved the chosen items for the end, so that's kind of going to help a little bit. And we are going to get started with the little brochure that it always comes with. And don't forget, you've got a discount code if you'd like to use it in the description of this video. This is not the fall box. This is the members picks. It's a between season box. So we've got some information here about how the box is curated and information about the items in the box. It's really fun to look through. And this particular brochure just kind of talks a little bit more about the company as well. It has some recipes in it and some fun games. The first item that came in the box is one of my absolute favorites. I did not expect to get this. This is the Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream. This is wonderful for winter. It is extremely emollient. It's an awesome cream for day or night. It does not have sunscreen in it, so it's not an SPF product, but this is absolutely a must for winter. You could also use it as a hand cream. I have 2 of these already in my bathroom, and I'm so excited that I got this one, even though I didn't intend to. It's awesome for winter. The next item is something I've actually been wanting to try for a really long time, and it's the Skin & Co. Roma Whipped Cleansing Cream. This is made in Italy. This is a large product at 3.38 ounces. You can still travel with it. I'm actually not going to open it because it's sealed. It is under 3.4 ounces, so it is TSA approved. Yay, love it. The next item that I got is has a very high value. This is the Winky Luxe. I want to say that this is a brow pencil. Yes, this is the Winky Luxe Universal Brow Pencil. For a moment I thought, wait, is that an eyeliner? Great brand, really nice for all shades of brows. As you can see, they have noted on the side here that it really does work well for a lot of different skin and hair tones. And I was excited about this. You can never get too many universal brow products. The next item that was a surprise is this Grace and Stella Peel. But guys, it's actually a foot mask. I don't know how this is gonna work, but it's a foot peeling mask. We're gonna be fighting over this in my family, but it's suitable for women size 4 to 12 shoe and men size 4 to 13. It says soak feet in warm water for 10 minutes, then dry off. Secure foot booties on each foot with the enclosed tape. For best results, wear socks over the booties. Ooh, for warmth to speed up the peeling process. Wear for 1 hour, then wash feet with soap and water. Peeling will begin 5 to 7 days after the initial application. Depending on your cell's turnover rate. Soak feet for 10 minutes every day and after the application to help loosen the skin. I have never tried anything like this. I have to say I'm a little bit nervous, but maybe it's just what we need right before winter. I'm intrigued. Next up is an item I would have never thought to choose for myself. This was in the Oops box, and this is a Caravan. I believe it is actually a rug. I think we've got to open this one up and see. I don't know if I need a rug, so I'm going to try to preserve the packaging because this might make a wonderful gift. All right, keeping that package nice. Here we go. Oh, it's kind of secured into the into the packaging. So let's leave it in there, but you can see that it's black and white. I don't know if it's fringed or tasseled, but I'm sure that they have it on the website, so we can take a look. That's kind of cool, but definitely a gift item for me. Ooh, this next item I already have. This is a makeup eraser. This is a great product. I have 2 of them from past boxes, and it pretty much allows you to remove your makeup and wash your face without any product if you want. I actually use it in combination with my product, but it says bye-bye makeup wipes forever. Now I can testify to the fact that this takes off my Thrive Cosmetics mascara, which is really hard to remove. So if it can get that stuff off, it can get anything off. Next item is also a surprise to me. This is the We China Herbal Beauty 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. Ooh, this looks like something we get to open and kind of look at. I might need a knife for this. Mr. Cruise Tips TV, can you grab me a knife? I'm gonna hold this for a moment until my husband comes back with a knife because I don't wanna ruin it and you have to kind of slide it along there. But the next item is one that I did select. So this was the only item out of 5 that, thank you so much, that I did actually select. And this is a real splurge. This is the Michael Kors passport wallet. And this is amazing. This is gonna be a gift because I already have one for myself. And hello guys, this alone is probably worth more than the box. This box is $49.99. Look how gorgeous that is. And it says Michael Kors on it. So I'll definitely be saving that to gift to someone. Since we are in the travel business, that is definitely not going to be a hard thing to do. Okay, let's go back to this mask collection. This is exciting. And the packaging is so delicate and pretty. Look how feminine and floral that is. Oh, this is so cool. I've never seen anything like this, you guys. I'm so glad that I got to try it, even though it was a boo-boo. It looks like it has an applicator brush and it has a bunch of different masks in it. So it has purifying mud masks, 4 of them. And then it has 4 Ready Glow exfoliating masks. This is gonna make my bath time feel like $1,000,000. I don't think I'm gonna gift this. I'm using this. We'll read the instructions, and this is going into my me time bathroom tonight. So that would have been my box had I done nothing, had I had no say in the choices. But since I called FabFitFun, they did send me the things I didn't get. So normally, when I show you these other things, know that you normally don't get this many things. But if you sign up for the Members Picks box, you actually get to pick 3 items. As far as I know, it's still available, so give it a try. It's a really good box. Okay, the first item that I really wanted and that they sent me is the Elevate Essential Oils. So this is 2 pretty full-size bottles of eucalyptus and sweet orange oil. I'll take out one of the bottles so you can see the size, but I like these for my diffuser, my oil diffuser at work. And I also like to put a few drops in my bath on occasion. So I was really glad that they still had those in stock and they were willing to send them to me. Oh, I love this one. The next one is the Amber Seats necklace. I had seen this on some other bloggers' channels and websites, and I had regretted not buying it before or selecting it, and so I wanted it, and I love it. I think it's gonna look fantastic with a white t-shirt and jeans or with a dress. It's so pretty and so versatile. Next up, I had to have these Baddington lashes. They come with a little bit of glue. It's just one set. But lashes are a high value item, and I like to wear them for special occasions. These are a very delicate and nice, subtle lash, and I just think it's so cool that it comes with glue. A nice little single serve of glue. And the last item is the Botkier New York Trigger Backpack. This was something that I had selected, and I did not choose this in my fall box, so I thought, hey, what the heck, let's give it a try. And this is what it looks like. It's a cute little mini backpack. On the front, it has kind of a faux leather here and kind of a vinyl look here. Let's see if those are little pouches. Ooh, yes, they're little pouches. This is where I'm gonna put my hand sanitizer and my lipstick. And it has adjustable straps on the back. And on the inside, you have a really nice compartment. This is nice quality, guys. And you've got a zipper pocket on the inside to put your cell phone into. And there's plenty of room in here for a wallet. So it's good for travel. It's probably good for everyday use. Really cute going into fall and winter. So this is my Oops box. This is a happy story. I really appreciate the way that FabFitFun treated me throughout the process and how they honored the mistake. Things happen, and I have been a FabFitFun customer since 2016, so I was more than happy to let them make it right. And really both times the customer service through chat, by the way, I use the chat method, were excellent. If you want to give FabFitFun a try, check out my discount code in the description of this video. Thank you so very much for watching, and we will see you when the winter FabFitFun review comes out. Until next time, get in gear and get cruising. Bye-bye.